everybody, it's me, Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day so far today, because today we are having a yarn giveaway. There's 10 skeins of yarn here that I'm going to be giving away to one lucky person, and it's just my way of saying thank you all for subscribing to my channel. Literally, my channel would be nothing without you guys, so I'm very appreciative for each and every one of you. So this is my way of saying thank you. The yarn you'll be receiving, if you win, we have some Bernat Sheepish Stripes by Vicky Howell. I believe it is a wool blend. Let me see here. It's 70% acrylic, 30% wool. Perfect for hats or scarves, whatever you want to do with it. There are 137 yards in each one of these, and pink shades and a blue shade. You'll also be receiving a Bernat Little Tots. This is, I believe, 95% acrylic and 5% nylon. It has 190 yards and it's just a nice blue color. You'll get 2 of those. You'll get 2 of these Pattern Croy socks. These are nice. They're just shades of blue. Not sure if the camera is picking up the color, but let's see here. This is Superfine 1. It's for socks. And 166 yards in each one of these. So you'll definitely be able to make yourself a pair of socks. And some Peaches and Cream cotton. Perfect for washcloths or pot holders. Let's see here. It is 100% cotton. And I'm trying to find the yardage. Oh, here we go. There's 95 yards in each. So you'll definitely be able to make yourself a washcloth, a dishcloth, pot holder, whatever. You're getting 2 of these. Like I said, this is just my way of saying thank you. This giveaway is open to anybody in the world. So worldwide, this giveaway is good for. All you need to do to enter this giveaway is be subscribed to my channel. Leave your name in the comments below or leave a comment. You just need to either comment on the video or leave your name in the comments. And that's pretty much it. I'll also leave in the description below the links to my Facebook page and my private Facebook group. If you want to check those out, you can do that. And that's it, guys. This giveaway runs until April 20th. I will be announcing the winner on April 21st. Again, open worldwide. You get 10 skeins of yarn, and it's my way of saying thank you guys so much for everything, being patient with me, and just watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. So that's gonna be it for today. Good luck. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon when you do subscribe. That way you're notified when I upload. And leave a comment in the description below. You can leave a comment on anything, or you can just put your name. Doesn't matter. So yeah, guys, good luck. And until next time, I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day, and happy knitting and crocheting. Bye.